Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to enable pet mode and pet recognition on MOVA Z60 Ultra. Your robot can recognize pets and adjust its cleaning settings and behavior of the robot to pets so it's more careful and stuff like that. And to do it, you can click on three dots in the top right corner, then go to pet care and enable pet recognition. Now, once it's enabled, the robot will avoid pet feces or suspected feces to prevent smearing. You can also adjust some settings like pet cleaning. You can change the auto empty settings. So yeah, it tells you should it's recommended to activate hair compression and high frequency auto empty. So I'll do the high frequency, and you can set the area of square meters, how often should it auto empty. Then there's large particles boost, you can enable that. Although I do not see it. Oh, there it is. You can enable large particles boost. So it just boosts the suction power if it sees some large particles. Then it also, there are some other features here. You can set up the pet detergent. If you put the pet detergent in the detergent tank, you can enable tank B detergent, select pet detergent and set the frequency. Then you can also set pet activity zones on the map and later adjust its settings. I don't have any pet activity zones, but it would do it automatically actually once it recognizes pets. Then there's something called pet moments, which means it can capture pet pictures if you enable it. So if it sees pets, it'll capture pictures so you can later see them. I think that's nice. And there's pet monitoring, but you'll need to set up video first, like video permissions first, and then you would be able to monitor your pets to see how are they doing. And you can set it up by clicking on the video first to like set the live video first. Yeah, and that is basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.